This is the wishing well. Throw a spiritual coin, then make your daily wish. Welcome to the Chinese Zodiac. Thank you for joining us. Let us help you to find balance and peace of mind. Greetings. Relax as we forecast the Rooster. On day 14 of this month. Now for your Chen tongue, or Chinese fortune sticks. These sticks are one of the most ancient forms of prediction, used for centuries in Taoist and Buddhist temples. Make a wish. Keep it focused in your mind. Now let's see what the fates have in store for you today. Your Chen tongue number for today is number 34. You will receive a letter with an unusual proposal very soon. This is your rolling 10-day forecast. This month is going to be a fantastic month with loads of fun stuff pending. For your daily element, this relates to your horoscope animal. Different elements can affect your personal characteristics for the day. The fire rooster, known for being fearless, elegant and straightforward. Fire roosters have issues with being boastful, unstable and vain. At their core, they want to get more time for themselves. Until next time, we wish you luck and prosperity. If you liked this content, please hit the subscribe button, and tell your friends. Our team relies on good people like yourself to help our channel grow.